Hi everyone, welcome back. So now we have finished downloading the app. If you haven't, go to the website and tap on your desired operating system. I'm using Apple, so I'm going to tap on the App Store here. It will take you direct to the App Store. So in this lesson, we are going to go through the app and create our first animation. So let's go. Tap on open here. I've already downloaded it. This is how the app looks like. So wait for, let's say, a minute. It will finish uploading. So it will open now. You'll see how it looks like. So here, as you can see, these are my previous videos I've made. So you can see, if you have watched our previous lesson, you can see some of these videos here. So now let's go straight to, you can see create video. From here, this is where you tap and you start creating your video. So let's tap on it and see what will happen. The yellow, what is it? Is it a rounded rectangle, or how do you call it? I don't know. But this yellow icon where there is a plus sign, tap on it. And you can see here, this is what came. So this is a scene. You can see it here. You come down after the, you can see bus stop bench. You can see. So from here, you change the scene you want your video to be made from. Okay. Here you have free scenes here. You can scroll and swipe. You can see. So you have conference room here. You have bathroom here. You have sofa here. So you choose your desired scene. So go through it and choose your desired scene. Okay, let me choose one and show you how it is done. Okay, let me choose this teenage bedroom. So as you can see, this is teenage bedroom. It is only the bedroom. You have to add an actor. So you can see this rectangle, red rectangle here, saying no actor. So from here you choose your actor. Okay, you see you have a lot of actors here you can choose from, and some are free, some are also not free. So from here you tap on create character. You create your character. You see how it is, male or female, you can see it, or randomize. If you tap on it, it will be changing. Let's change it. Let's see. You see, okay, you can see. So from here you can choose whatever you want. Okay, let's say we want to create our characters or actors. We want to create a male. So tap on male. This male, look at the hair shape. From beneath the character, you see these icons here. The first one is, if you tap it off it, you see the color of the actor. Choose any color you want from here. Let's say you want it to be white, like this. If you tap on it, it will take like 5 seconds before it changes. So it will change. You see him changing. I've tapped on the first one here, so it will change. Okay, after that, you can see from the icons there is a hair shape. If you tap on it, you see the type of hair you want your character to have. So click on any one here, and you can also see some of them are not free. Where there is a basket means it is not free. So let's choose any of them and choose the color. You can see under here, you see the color. You can change any hairstyle you want. Here, this mustache. You can see the mustache here. Choose the kind of mustache or beard you want. Let's see this one. You can see it will change. You can see he has a beard now. Okay, go to the eye. Go to the next icon. You can see the type of eye your character you want your character to have. So after that, you can also choose any eye color or type of eye you want, go to the next icon. So I'll stop here, so we'll continue in the next lesson. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.